Okay, one more video. We're going to try to illustrate how well this solar heater is working. It's 46 degrees out, so the sun is out and the snow is melting a bit. Unit is going. I'd like it to puff out a little bit like this, which is perfect for the airflow. You got an intake right there, cold air intake. It's coming in from the basement, essentially. And then on this other side, you actually have the warm air, and the warm air is going right into the basement as well. Inside the basement, we're actually hooked up to the ductwork, so that's the neat thing about this is it does go right into my ductwork. It turns on when the temperature is above 80, turns off when it's not. And the neat thing about that is that it's hooked up in such a way in the basement as well too, that when it's off, it gives the furnace the ability to go on. When it's on, the furnace is shut off. I just didn't want it to backflow the furnace into this unit, so I'll show a little bit more of that in the basement. Okay, now here we are in the basement. So that top number represents how hot it is inside the unit on the hot side. The bottom number is where it needs to be at least to turn on. So 131 degrees coming out of there, feeding into my house. You can see it's feeding right in through there. Just got some old, it's not old, it's new, 6-inch PVC. Feeds right into my ductwork here. I do have the ability to turn it off, close it, which I do at night typically. And there's also a built-in damper over here that if there's no air pressure pushing in from the unit, it closes as well. There's also another one of those built-in dampers on the cold side over here as well. And the built-in damper actually closes it from both sides, so that's good. Got a little bit of a stocking here that I use as a filter. And that's pretty much it. I'm getting free or real low-cost heat because I am paying for the cost of the blowers, but it's just pennies per day, really. I think they're 28 watts a piece. You can do the math on that. It's not very much at all. But anyway, just another look at it. I bought this controller. Essentially, this right here is my furnace, and this right here is the ductwork from the unit, the blowers. Two of them that control this cord right here. When this is off, this one turns on or gives it the ability for the regular furnace to turn on if it needs to. And that's it.